Hey, hello and welcome. Gonna have something a little different coming your way. Some logging. This is what I did for a long time. I had two businesses, and right now my son's actually logging for this company right here, Card Logging, out of Eugene, Oregon. He's the one in the silver hat. So I'm gonna have a bunch of video coming on this. I hope it interests you, and it's something different. And I just want to keep a record of it for myself because this is what I did for so many years. And operated all this equipment and did the cutting, did lots of things. So I hope you enjoy this. I know you men will, because it's a lot of mechanical stuff. So I hope you enjoy this. And I'm going to have a bunch of videos back to back on Oregon logging. Logging and 5-guy line with a dead man out in front. Motorized carriage, slack pulling carriage. It pulls slack off the yarder. These noises you'll hear are the whistles, and that's how they talk to each other using bugs, talkie tutors. And my son's over there somewhere, over that mountain. I'll get the drone out pretty soon and fly it. They've logged all this already. I did this for a lot of years. Raining days, snowy days. Ran one of those single grip harvester for a while too. Morning.